gonna be doing a little bit of truck spotting. There's the first one. Hey, a sheet truck. I think that one is going to be the last truck of this video, unless another truck passes by on my way back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to make more of these truck spotting videos in the future. I know that I did not film a lot of trucks, but I saw a few trucks. It started to rain a little bit. That is why I deciding to end this one earlier than I would have expected to. I really don't want to get soaking wet out here. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Everyday intro. Peace. There's a truck.